What's up, guys?
I didn't want to be busy. I didn't want to go to the yafe problem in our baby. My baby. That's your time. I'm with you. Not see me. You're not seeing that.
See the pain in her voice. Ah, this girl, she they talk, eh? You could send the pain in her voice. Gosh, I know that people they feel her. Wait till they feel for her voice. There's this bitterness in her voice. I've always been saying this thing. I don't know why her voice is like that. Is it that she's have a bitter life so much? This bitterness and sorrow in her voice. I can't just explain. Jesus, God forbid. Babalawo, Ije. No. You could, the bitterness is Jesus, God forbid. Something is not right. No. Come on. You can't be comfortable. You can't be happy with the man you are with the children that God gives to you, and you are feeling this terrible. No matter what, social media life is social media life. Social media life shouldn't have any effect on your real life. Why will you be sounding this sorrow in your voice? Person not by. This girl, no. Although she have gone through a lot in her life anyway, I can understand that. She have gone through a lot. Somebody will don't go crazy. She don't face deportation. She don't disappoint her countless time. Nigerian men, by the way. She don't do ashawo so many years and pay madam too. You know what it takes to pay madam to do ashawo? At the end of the day, she did end up with her choice. She end up with what she's not really pleased with. Deep down, she's not pleased with it. But what man go do? Then she take day. Oibo, junkie, even disappointed her, do all kinds of things to her. She has to kidnap spam to burn for the junkie Oibo by force. It's like it's not becoming part and parcel. That bitterness she have gone through in life. Everybody have one or two, but our own is really much. It's really, really much. Maybe that's why our voice is now mastered to that kind of bitter, sounding so bitter. I don't know. Eh? Oh, wow. You see, after she do this one this morning, early morning, she don't go rewash. See, where she fuck up like this. Now she begin use the lie of Asoko Kobiri transfer and 1,000 euro. Now 1,000 euro be your problem. Eh? 1,000 euro. How much is it? How much is money? Arranging 1,000 euro to take cover up all these tears. You think people are fools in the street of Facebook? I better leave matter for Matthias or Jerry. Like seriously.
For no reason.
Only nuts.
Mama, hello. Imwe school, mama. Imwe school. We wa here. Imwe school.
That one be calling because the way she's going about the video early morning crying online is not proper. Maybe that person will be calling to put her in control. No, you know, so when she did don't enter her head now, she can't control it. Person will don't go prison. You know, injection where they give the first prison. They say that they give the injection. That's why I hear. Eh? Where someone will come and they not come no more again. Eh? Oh, which kind of person be this one? Cause he come here now. I know go just mind you. I beg. Only ajena. No we go do. I just tired. You they forbid. I beg carry my own join your own go do. I beg carry your Wahala they go Jerry. I no fit shout.
Nah, worry. Facebook even I know you. No, I have problem for how many years? In my opinion, I don't know you
see our Facebook get problem for how many years, and that is why you were busy attacking other people's page because your own not get head. Wickedness of the highest order.
Order for me, you a message. So many get distro kids. I want to know who ina ya many get distro kids with distro kids the minimum go why wa who making wa ma tama me with the new why ina ya yi go ya abonnement ye distro kids. I use money go to do abonnement for distro kids to say distro kids me abonnement ba ve se ni unwa e Facebook e ma ya ni supporting ya o mo mi sure o ma ya ni ke ya na e fun.
Which kind good you do when you dey collect revenue for person work, for person music? Which kind good be that? Notice me. Which kind good be that? You can't money give them. You builders give them. Which good way you play their music? Now that be good. You play their music, you collect revenue. Now that be good. I don't understand though. God forbid. Yo, let's say I touch Chineke me. Let's go back there. I just go click something. Please, lovely, amazing people, thumbs up this video. Don't just watch. Comments. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Let's go there.
Always you a message so tell with me. In with best. Emi no ma mi bagbon ya sere wa kuma tell me ni mi bagbon wa je ga tell me na mi bagbon na were Facebook we na no gie no I have problem for how many years ima e here na rototo eri wa je ebe other for me you
eru we bi a roteta e page me na me do ban no be live video teme eru we bi a re e total a page ma be. Now, so you see, they under my page, they drag my page, they put your witchcraft finger inside my page. Now, so you take strike my page many countless times. So why you they cry? Say you carry person property, you come whatever to your page. Why are you crying? You deliberately was striking people page on this media. Yes. Why are you crying? Cry, baby girl. Why are you crying? When shame and disgrace don't enter your body, you can't use trick of her. Now so Kokobiri just give you 2,000 euro. Hey, Isaga, where abole? Kokobiri get 1,000 euro to give you to take clear your tears. You not see your mama shame and disgrace for street, make it transform your mama, your papa, make give the better life. The mona go sit down. Fake life, you book by social media. Arrange Wahala bon. Arrange master. Ero boro we aga fiyen gbe. Kokobiri as your mama shame and disgrace loud reach for this social media. Kokobiri no sian. May we see us in a limousine, come carry your mama, go clean them up. Carry your papa, go clean it. Go give her intensive care. Make it for day healthy. Make it carry your mama, go market when they do video. Say, oh, land this way, then you be in line. Say, your Kokobiri don't shatter and give your mama, make it so. Say the weird, say the gazagabu for Oka. We not see that type. Fake life, you go bon. Ero boro waga fiyen gbe. 1,000 away they go for B and the rest of the things. One more salary. Of strike benefits for Germany. Now you they transfer from one account to another. Till they prove a point. Fake people everywhere. Now, 1,000 you want to cover the cry when you cry, the shame and disgrace already don't enter your body. Now 1,000 euro, miserable 1,000 euro. No man say where you walk back. Nonsense.
So you know you many get distro kids.
Kasha say mommy love not be lie oh. For it then they give the injection for prison. One day my city, yes, since when he come out for prison, he head no correct again. If you see this Rita or yourself saying a seasonal thing, they come and go. Then they get one man that time for Valencia where they release for prison. The man no come normal again. August Sunday night they call that man that time for Valencia. People in Valencia don't know why they talk. The man come out for prison. The man no normal again. He no normal. And them me no say because what happened to this man? Not be so he be before he go prison. They say that they give the injection. Now make this get Christmas. So she go bless. Say she want maintain her. They take year before you know she don't display. Bless you see we see you see display. See all this one. Now there be this. Eh? See Ebony where they say she they talk meke. Say I talk, they calm. Ebony, come and see your method. We may well no look more no can shake on in Italy. Yeah, we are the injection here. Now only God know like if come out that not fed normal normally, you know. That not fed normal or dan yon diku if you come out for prison. Only God go know how that one go be. That one fair get command. Or do agbiwe. Shingo mother. Shingo mother in Johnny. Shingo mother. Kokabiri master. Shingo mother. Uwe ye poto. Uwe no petu. Uwe no le. Shingo mother. Only makale no man before. I mean what we la wega. Fefe Ibrahim you come and let God know that one go your be down go your condemn finish. You not feel good. Almost only calorie. Only a while if now you come out for prison now forget it's condemned for life. Not be even joke. Because that one fair get command. You not fair this sound. You not be picking way fair this sound. Where we say yes and one take ban and one makak banoni. I mean what we like injection ikibagbo. The strong bread that they give they say that they inject madness. They inject them with madness injection. The pasta where they give them everything must be injected. That's why they come and they're not the normal. If you see Rita on, she know they feel composed. Once that thing starts, you know they feel they even Kokobiri go they try make it stop her now. No, she cannot be controlled. She cannot. Or since she display that thing, then she'll come kind of bless, say recollect, say, hey, on that here own land a goni sangiro. You know say non normal. Non normal. Because normal person will think before they act. But person where they colo way not they stable mentally, they go act later they start thinking. That's the different in it. Normal person will think before acting. Why colomenta will act before thinking. Then this one don't think. Now Rita don't think. Now say, oh, j'ai des tears in so bien avec guin there. Now avec bien yo. You can't do a range of Kokobiri give her 1,000 euro to take wipe her tears. So you will agree you cry. 1,000 euro. Shinking change. 1,000 euro. You don't even get. You don't even you too cheap. You too local. Now 1,000 euro. Now money. When you want to prove a point, say to take cover your after your ranting or crying sorrowfully. Now 1,000 you want to say, come on, go sit down. You got money here. I might when I even arrange you not be real. Money where you and Kokobiri they say as money where just transfer enter to prove a point. Later you go back to what it's meant for. Who are you deceiving? The gullible followers. We're not getting number 6 where they active for them. Not be people like us. We be say over sharpness. He write letter, he send and give us before we even come life. Not be people like us. You won't deceive with your rude nonsense cheap 1,000 euro. Nonsense. My last born 7 years birthday, 7,000 euro now spray put for your account. 7,000 euro life. Nonsense. 1,000 euro. Now you want to prove a point in 2024. Come on, pass. As well, but that tell unde. You work baby. No wonder una bo under 13 years. No wonder because you are still backward. 1,000 euro. I bet more help me take off the video.
I want to know why. Ina ya gbemi je distrokid the way distrokid the no go why. I want to know why.
Why are you shouting? Why are you crying? Why are they shout? Why are you shouting? After you don't disgrace yourself, you can't come up with Kokobiri give you 1,000 euro to take wipe your tears. So social media $1 can make you cry. That means you are a low life. You are a low life. Person where not big, you go even do business. You lose. May God not let us lose for business. You go see go and say, oh, it's one of those things life continue. You go there go, you go even lost. May God not let us lost money. You go see take as one of those things. I'm a find me area, you know. Man, when you get $1 on social media, was so. Now you they chop people red venue for their music. They don't cash you can't copyright their thing and you they cry put. Really? Really? Amu where was you waso? At the end of the day, you end up fooling yourself. You are not using 1,000, miserable 1,000 euro to cover up. Kokobiri give you 1,000 euro. Kokobiri not give your mama 1,000 euro, make her wipe her shame and disgrace. After all, it was because of you she was rubbished. The way you rubbish from Victor's family. Kokobiri not prove a point to clean your mama up. Go and sit down. Nonsense. Talk all this yama talk when no way and you not the get head when they going on the sample for social media. Egbedina sameji afie mi on wan pipi o yin won ya isi wan say your moro ya isi wan magin egbedina ma sameji o ga afie won ri daso go eri wa jere social media no level now they try to prove relevancy for followers where maybe some not even send una some not send una so they have their good life going on with them.
For no reason.
Now you record lolo. That one never reject you say no one friendship you wrong come and they play audio. I pray when they killer. God forbid.
Hello. No, I'm a problem for how many years?
Now turns up this video, my people. Turns up, don't just watch.
Other for me, you a message. So you know, you get distro kids.
Do you see the pain in her voice? You know they feel her. Me when they listen here, they feel this bitterness in her voice, and they do me one kind for body. Jesus, just for Facebook matter. Hey, my sister. Why I got it? Okay, we made day okay. One day okay. Oh, not day okay. 20-something years abroad. And then so Facebook is what boo we via na. Cause you know Ryan we when you give you a chance in no ya Ryan. No. God forbid. Now they sense the bitterness in her voice. I bet if not they sense them. If not they sense them, I'm gonna say yes. I'm sensing it. This bitterness and the sorrow in her voice is alarming. Is so much. Why?
Distro kid, the minimum why? What who making ya? What not time on the new why? You go ya abonnement ye distro kid. I use money go to do abonnement for distro kid. To say distro kid me abonnement, but let's see ni unwa. E Facebook ma ya ni supporting ya. Ore mo mi sure o. Ore ma ya ni ke ya na ye fun. E ya na ye fun Facebook ya na take that so. About the music in your yak before those days. A Facebook ya fe na ya gbe ya. Ona ya for no reason ye ko waje oh. Ma ne hui. E ko wa gbegbe ko. E fe da wa muri agbon. De ka mo na we di o manage. Ahia. Maybe
more than cause something. I just saw it now. Esther Ebagua say, join me on Esther Ebagua. He say, let me advise this girl called Rita. Wahala deo. I tell you, you know, yeah. Rita go too big. I say, Rita, Esther, get mouth. That one. You know, he might be like razor blades. Now, music, they humble that one. Rita, you see say you felt crazy where before. You see say injection they give you for prison. If they make your head a salon. Oh, that's not need to go prison, go collect madness injection before they go, their head go salon. He said let me advise this girl called Rita. Now so she see do gra when Lolo see bitter blue black. I want you this money. I said this your body where they cash you. Now say they cash out from the beginning. At the end of the day, they go best as I me rock bahu. Me fiang boa, I don't know any. I wa gbe no even no wa gbe wa dollars wa gbe a mo gbe. Usanza enga gbe ra gbije, e no ebode. No level. Mommy lover, this period never see me. I volunteer, I swear. This period, I'll just create time. No. After this period, it be time. This period, I did can't be. For this matter, no understand. Oh, which level? Rita, I will advise you. I advise you. Na so there's the Ebagua girl ekanekere. Na so Esther na initiate. You know say they be initiate and ekanekere. We go to do eye service. We go to eye service them. I want to belong. We go to seek attention very cheap. You know say they be initiate and ekanekere twin. Go na ya dey. I might want to analyze and bring out the truth in it. He said, let me advise this girl called Rita. Now, read girl. If I don't finish this video, I'll run go bath. No, I know. Wait till the time. I know keep my bath till late evening today. No, my night bath now from maybe 10, 11 until the bath. But this today, oh no, early night bath. Now I your bath. Very Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Her body go they cash out, the thing go they do her for chest. They say, now she only has a bit talk. And you know, say your story not good. You get dirty story on this media. Your story not good one bit. Reality, not be say for the reality, your story not good. They do gra. They find trouble. They do like say, now you craze pass. Natural craze and injection for prison craze. Difference day. Natural craze. And the one where they inject you for prison. Ex-convict on. It different. That one injection ain't cousin. So natural craze day. We also do the best, use and do the best if you hang out for one corner. But you see, seasonal where they give you for prison. Any level. Na ex-convict. Injection winner. Okay, natural madness. Is the difference is clear. Talking to Esther and you lie. You don't spoil many people page, Rita, on this space. You don't destroy many people page. EGI for one. You don't destroy my pages. There was a time you strike my 5 pages at once. They will strike by you. So you go report 2. There was a time you report my 5 pages at once. Twice occasion. 2 occasions you did that. If you spoil person, you are good at spoiling people's own. Why you want to go spoil for your eye? Not be only page you go spoil for your eye. My prayer for you, now everything will surround you. Everything where you touch your hand on must spoil for your hand. My prayer where they pray for you day and night. I'm not getting you that thing I won't do you. Except that bad prayer where they pray for you. I don't need to keep reporting it. I know I've prayed it. I know it will manifest. You will never know peace. No where say now easy ga gbo yegbo. Ese we ga gbo. I service we ga gbo. Notice me attention seeking we ga gbo. Oga solve. Umi ekpele mo mi we no awo goma di asilele ma se. Ebe no awe has guess Dinya must buejo. You will never be appreciated by no man, no woman. No matter how nice you will pretend to be, no matter how loyal you will pretend to be, no matter how helpful you will pretend to be, no matter anyhow you choose to play it, your loyalty, you will never be appreciated. You will be rejected. This is the prayer I pray for you in the secret, and many more. And it shall always repeatedly come to pass in your life. Yes, in the mighty name of Jesus. Say Anna. Esther is coming to Esther say you want to come advise that girl called that's so the Ebagua they come for you. We can twin abi or they know it. All the time when we are basha war back be on a gualo egbedi no has you way. When I am bashawo, Ekian is alright. You know what say me? He's alright. So far no go and make use of it, he say. No go kind yo say. Egbe ga iwien egbe na egbe na ya ke egbe na ya bashawo ga condemn egbe no go lene. We na lawyer pay million nene vinile. We egbe bitan we riafo. Og ana gwale kan egbadu na azien you way. No make no make well mase because we baby tane. Asha ekia shaka eki. That's your condition, Rita. That's your condition because you pay to madam. It's not easy. Sometimes your thoughts give me sleepless night. Like I would like, oh, this girl does you. Jo do asha wote pay to madam. How she take do her? That's too much. Man, I'll just try to take away that thinking from my head because before you tamper with my mental health, because is terrible. Even the thought alone. No wonder you they say big ogbelefu. Maybe I get kokobiri bana ekiama they say kiao, but so maybe onu wale jeo. Ba ye we ado da mini we begberi. No mi so fa no mi amula. O jeva, but Ogbelefu, odilala, avec kokobiri, il y a des kokobiri, il y a des canons bolo. Il m'a we kokobiri déjeuner. Agumeta. Bete, vil go ya terio gilegia. We na we kiage fibroid na wa hangiwa. We na hie. Muvame. Because if fake life wa talk igbe social media. Everybody where you know you're there. Do more you're there, you want me. I make a noise. Whereas I may get fibroid what a hang you ever for more than 12 years. We got your belefu. We get testimony and I do where belefu de la balo we fi. Balo or liekere yo. Remove it. Get out yo. I may talk yo. Oh, Corey Gaza. Eh? Because of one galeria kia. Oh, get me all our corre. Oh, go. Egbe ya fuere. Egbe fuere. We are so bitterness in your voice, sadness in your voice. Who got so many agomone? Oh, no, they so bitter. How come? Eke come where down? Eke come on down. Well, I gale we can egbe ho. Ere rugo ye na meta twa mo didon yo. Oye huere. Ere we ofure. We are going to go gusa boge ono agu kulele ku. Wa ikuga honwe na ku. You are happy from the inside. Ono gele we kia. Ejeva, my sister. Mega teneke this. Mega explain the feelings of a camera where. Any other social media because it might not be a mono one. My irrespective of the Jerry man become a grandmother. A mon one. Ari kemeta. Come one. May you went on me or more 12 years. No, I ain't like body many. Even me one. I'll say my can when ni me explaining the feeling of I don't know kia ma where how it feel like. Nigele this gwangwa ma way. You will understand that people will have better understanding that where we care my guy. Where's here we can do they bitter, sorrowful and always and all the time. No, it's not done. Otherwise, if you care about one, we care about. Otherwise, don't mess away. We know we care about where ogbelefu. My sister, go and sit down. We can the signs are not there. Who get me care bon? My sister, error. No.
Toto, I get it, I make your work again. When I'm Muchayo, when I'm begging on me, and I don't know where you're not Jayo. Who will you go away a presenter? If you don't watch Europa. We are Bokaru Matalapa. If you don't watch Europa. I mean, I'm not going to wow, if you don't represent me, I'm not going to give away. Unuaga back when anyone must story when women story big way.
Next time, their enemy, they swear for soul. Out of pepper body frustration. Yeah, way, yeah, go more you are. Which kind pepper body be this? amu evoji. Inyari eniya. Inya personalize emu copyright jo. Then we hisoji. Ah ojebo. Wagi vie ina inya gbe mi Wahala. Ya gbe mi you. We are so ina guy. If you not bungbe, we do I 1,000 euro ya cover up. Kokobiri just transfer 1,000 euro to my account. You use it to clean my chairs. No, you clean your tail, not clean your sorrow where they your body joiner. If you clean your sorrow and your pain. And your kekebo story, by the way. If you use money cleaner, join. So I made the not dead there again.
Even who na high no ma. Una beg me no sine koto na mugie hiame. Una beg me no gbe me una mugie hiame. Una beg me no gas your budget when you work no. Una mo ekwe hiame. It's just me no kie. Let them not be na. Mu wa your boy me no wa me no do awasa. No do awasa because the mother wa ma do wa hi. Even when marriage you to it here na wo here me marriage na ye ka we shi. Imagine you call we una always want about my city with my sister in your pan in my bag, you're not here, you're corner, I'm give a different people. Not begging the corner for it. Ah, I have a new cat swing, you are Jia. Oh, my name is Kiamana like Beregbe. Oh, Piadekiani Hara. Oh, see, my name is Nisha. Ah, wah. If you want to surface in the space now. And I can't Hara, una me on one le. Then they can't yet swing, and Yakokuyashi. Access information. Information, access information. Even though I like better because I need to experience a lot by China. But you can I got with me. And then I pass because the mother cannot do what yes, you will be well made it down. Even wow, or done because they quite
you see the way she did bragado now. Now so her life just be. Now so her matter just be. If Rita rate today. Hey, oh, Baba. If you know a person where you know yourself, you know yourself, you get mind. Your feet say, oh, heaven one for. You go even wave. If your skin not full, you the wave. But you see how they talk. He know they do nothing. No level. I don't know how they talk. No level in the sense that egbe to fiele. He can't do more than a dead rat. Mary Osas, I greet you. Welcome, darling. He can't do more than a dead rat. But if he bragado today, we have seen in many occasions on this social media. That no me best as I engage social media na error or emi rock back be and yogi sharp man die. I tell her this morning say, but the way they catch you, so you not go enter us. If they do video, they cost people. Where people copyright for their music. These are people you were seeking their attention very cheaply, and they don't count you join. Rest, move on. Move on. No. You know, that's why I see to follow long. That's why I do. Yeah, I'm not belega. I beg as I can you say me. Me work benak berenak bije. Come egwa I want back a leg me. Oh your hanoma side also make be SMB. I why? What did they bring that kind of nonsense? You say you saga don't do you saga we won't do with me, nourish me. You want to carry my family picture. You all go fall out now. What you expect? What do they think? You all go fall out before uncle. You see, I beg who is BTR. My lady, I no, she just cry. This early morning, she cry. Later, when she see say I fuck up, though they smell everywhere. She come they lie saying I so kokobiri give her 1,000 euro to take clean her tears. She not even shame to admit say she cry. It's the Esther is life. Okay, wait, let's go. Let me put it. I can't afford to miss it now. Hija! Oh, come here! Oh, yeah, Rita! Ugbe ero boro we ugbe. Ugbe hanzana. Ugbe. Okay, Esther, they play music. May play music finish. Rita, you sure say everything they okay? Because I'm really concerned as an adult woman. Please try and do a checkup. It's very funny. you see what I talk just now. Colometer. Na ex-convict injection in area never work in Italy.
Dominion.
Or kaput many things. He kaput many things. So we will listen here together.
Come.
We will listen here.
Bro, thank you.
Together.
Do it. Come.
May I carry my bottle of water near body.
Oh, alright, bro.
They don't call her Kolo. Magba.
I'll call you maybe just come normal day like Monday or Tuesday.
Oh. You see what see? I be one carry water. Hell, Rita we aye gbeju nu busybody, monta se, mogwa se. Ojobo jero. Hell. Ah, Rita. You to do now. There's ne Ebagua you go carry your mama. Obege avec gbegbe yese. Avec gbegbe yese ba. He sa wo handan. Me make be no kan. Emi ogo. Get now. No get joy. Once you go joy, not day. Always bitter. Ah, God forbid that gbona mana. Agbona mana na wa bitter. Bitter so. This life, when you supposed to be suburb or they happy, they enjoy. Enjoy your life to the fullness. Every blessed day of your life. Omo wa bitter wa so gbo. Kishe. Nepa don't take light. Abe mo na 100. Wareje. Ere Nigeria je. Esther ya mwe sola. Mwe sola yo ware.
What's more Bob na iwe neba?
E sola gi mwe yi kama kan nepa.
Network wahala o.
I wait I want put for my house. So sola. No concern nepa again. See concern you. Nepa ri pare ya pare. Omo yi kan we 6.something million.
Okay,
I carry better solar for us.
No, you don't own lights.
Better solar. Nepa bring light, not bring light. No, they concern you. Oh.
Okay.
Let's go this one downstairs. Take it back. Where's the motor here? That's my one.
Good evening, everyone.
I hope that they hear me.
Zion family.
Listen. I need to wear shirt too, so that I feel get up here. As I just come back, as I say fling my shirt.
We are not fighting. We are not quarreling. Even if we are fighting, we are quarreling. We quarrel to come to agreement. We agree to learn. So there's nobody quarrel. We quarrel. We understand we understand ourselves. And so you reach. Come and put YouTube. Come and connect this YouTube. I never feel connected for this TV once. Not connected. Take this thing to the other thing.
Take what to do now?
They know they call her say she don't work.
My darling, I'm so sorry.
Esther topic. Esther headline. Doctor say
I'm
Rita.
so sorry. This is not the
They don't know say you're not there okay.
No. This is not the issue of your bigger than this. This is the issue of explaining yourself.
Okay.
Solo, and lala. It's okay. If you say I'm ungrateful, it's okay.
Really?
There's no problem. We will get to that.
No need to follow
Leave maybe go see get waiting. We go talk later.
It's not get you want to talk. Make it good. Make it go banda. Make it the wash. I mean, not fit talk.
Before leave and me
Ungrateful. What did Rita do for the way they do ungrateful?
Maybe no right mind no ta. Okay, say I no make no it say okay, for my okay, you have overstayed your welcome. Mother is when I might tell me look ba.
Those of you to say, you know, see some ungrateful comment, some idiot comedian.
I might swear you, but I tell you
commenters. So when she come out, come cry this morning, they insult. We want insult. We not see we not go right time for them say that they big pass something.
Okay.
What about there are some things in life where person they big pass. There are some things in life where we say, it's what say okay, maybe see here little parts of waiting transpired.
Now me want to explain to you how copyright they work now.
Yes.
Me now want to explain that to you. Not be you go explain to me.
Of course.
So you sit down and listen to me. Let me tell you how copyright works.
Okay,
don't tell me to go and ask people how copyright work. Mommy. Don't tell me that. So you sit down and listen. So anyhow, I will allow you to block anybody. If you talk what is not right, it will block you.
Of course, it's not needed here.
So I beg, pull music. Make I for tell now how copyright they work. Please share this video. Share this video. Now to the pepper body. Thank you, Yvonne Love. You are not seeing Destiny. You don't need to sing. They listen to your voice.
Yeah, of course.
Like Frank, I will block them. Just listen to his voice. You shouldn't be only fast again. Obi Kubana, thank you. Please settle amicably. Don't let people push you. Sir, that's a good advice. Because if you reach where two people they quarrel, what you need to talk now? Well, Muyosa, gonna rest, gonna settle. Now so you reach. If they not gonna decide to rest, now they can't sabi. I bet me will try listen to this music.
Okay, may they play their music first, my people. If they don't finish the music, I go put them back. I just reduce the volume. I don't need the music for inside. Everybody go, you're the pay human being. No control. Back. Waiting. Now injection when they give you for prison, they work. Don't know how to talk. See people where you insult now. They are not coming with that madness attitude. That losing control. No. They want to come and talk sense, even though they tell you God way strong or way they insulting, but with calmness. Wake up early morning, they shout. Waiting, the life won't end. You claim you are okay, but you are not acting like you are okay. You know they act like you are okay.
And everything. Very good day. Who currently carry you go Frank Victor? Made it swell locator to the end of this year. When the person they find, the person not go see.
I'm a choosing.
Yes, you are choosing. So my people, you see, February this year. My explaining to what happened.
Bless TV.
February this year on the 16th. You know.
February
on the February 16th
of this year.
Because people, most of the talk say now songs, Rita like what Rita they claim now say now songs where it promoters now with the cross copyright day. My dear sister, never. Not be that song. Who the song where you promote? The time when I do promotion for my wife, that one are 2 years ago. You don't even need the money. You don't forget about the video and everything. You don't forget about the songs where you do 2 years ago. Everybody don't say since last year around August till this first time. Everybody know Rita, you were not sharing our. Rita was not sharing our
anything about us.
It was not playing.
Yeah.
The reason why you not do it, best known to me. I decided not to talk about, but after that video today,
what she do,
I will talk the reason why. Now she fell hit us.
Make them see your face. I beg. It's good. I'm gonna Google. I beg her.
Yeah. Now she fell hit us. You were not playing that song, my sister, and it was not that those videos, those copyright. And what did be copyright? I happy say. Few days ago when this copyright something they happen, I was with the video and the rest. I can't just put that live video when you watch. You call the watcher because then they call it. That the video say, oh, my motherland. Oh, I pray make the thing grow up and everything. You see our sons are strike. The copyright wey they shall put now, when they talk put now, not be strike. Somebody will get songs, where don't leave songs for 5, 6, 7 years, make una they play. He can't choose to say, okay, make you see the end revenue. What is this revenue? There is no live video presenter where we say we just come and say, if they do live video for 1 full month, that's 1 full month, or in live video say you must play your song. You know, maybe if you do 50 video in a month, you go play your song 2 times. And each of those videos wait for play your song. If you do make money, let's say the one way make money, you make 50 euro. 50 euro, 40%, how much are we talking about for person? Not be say give you strike, you know affect your page, not do anything. Then the video song and the rest people song. If you dey play for party, now strike they give you one in red. Now red, you go wrong. Come on. So my sister Rita, you say they not reach out to you. Not be only you want to do this video. I know I call somebody else that we actually reach out to. Yeah. Tell them say our fans they complain say you they carry our video go they put copyright for your page. Yeah. I beg. Not do one again. The person can say, Mama, they don't mind them. Mama, not do one again. Then, when I tried to reach you, Rita, you said I not reach you. That was the day I noticed you blocked me after you called me for a favor that I really don't want to talk. Now I tell you, say, you blocked me, Rita.
Hey!
Yes, where is it, Rita? No. I'm going to show the world.
Rita called for a favor. And when Destiny Ebagua refused, Rita blocked him.
Okay, this is Rita.
Okay.
You see that day when I write am hi. Now it shows say I actually write her.
Okay.
To one caller and say, please, what is going on? Why did they put copyright for my video? My people.
Hey!
The video where Rita claim. Now that day now I know say not be money, no Damo Jasper. She did.
Oh.
Now that day now I know say Rita block us.
Eh?
Then
this thing play.
I reached out to 2 persons who is close to her, who just called me after I write just now say I beg, make her not call their name. Say I reach out to them. When I reach out to one a woman, that one come put the other guy. Say because they are very pally. Now I say see what Rita they do. See what I take claim my video. I want come out on live video. And they try reach him. He blocked me. Now the person say he will feel reach him. Then after 5 days, I reach out to that same person. I feel call the person name before live video ends because my body.
Hey!
This person yes, they don't talk about I will just forget.
Wahala,
you see how so many saga they go around now. They go use and they do saga and everything to run. Now that I tell you say Rita block me. Then after I did that video, when I do why I not call him. I did that video, everybody know I did that video on the 21 of February. I not call names. I just do as
let me you play. Okay.
Then on the 19th of March, that's after 1 month. Now I call the and say, Madam Rita, can they release all the video? Rita, how can you be so heartless to do this, my dear? My people, watch this video. This was the live video where called Saga that time I watch them. Where we take go use all those ladies for poo.
Yes.
For beach. For beach.
For your birthday.
For before my birthday for beach. The live video what we do for beach. That live video 2 days was 400,000. Where it cost the whole saga. Where they say they call the saga us. They say why you carry girls way naked. Then they touch in yash and everything. Rita claimed that full video. Jesus. From up my page.
Hey.
Not be music. This is not musical. This was a video. This was a video that was done. In my page, yeah. When my 2 women, this was the video. Then that is one. Then see this one. Another of my live video.
With proof for the show.
Another of my live video.
Live.
See them again. Live video that was done. My own live video.
This one are just full live video.
Full live video. Not be the music.
Not be the music. Normal live video.
Then I for not even know. Because I don't know how they do copyright. Me no know anything. My friend was the person who called me, Skimmy, yeah. He said he go call for this live video. See me here call me say, Ebagua, what did happen? This guy Rita just go claim my video when I post. That video will send for me because I record part of the video for that live video. What we do? Give Skimmy come post that for you.
What's your business with video? What's your business with that?
See, wait, no.
If you say video, what's your business with that?
Leave her and I idiot. The video, no one even now food.
Don't be your ethic now.
So Skimmy here called me and said, Rita claim a video. Now I say how? He said as he can't dispute her. He said after about 5 days, he can't release the video for her. Now I say Jesus, now tell me. My page, FP Entertainment, I never received one for them. We don't even know what they do. Now so they carry them. Copyright, I go do video. I say, now my video, live video I do. After I do live video finish, I go still read. He go set up the wicked video. I go find. I not see. Until a day when Frank Victor call they analyze. Say if they help people, they
can
do
you imagine people?
video
And
they Facebook and everything. This will not be even my wife's page. It is my page. Yeah. Now me reach out to her. Say my FP page. See what they happen. All this whole Wahala and everything. It goes okay. Make I add them. As I add them, I come to say this page. It will have they just often say too much copyright. Now people they claim and everything. Now say but how they post people home. Now we go say because I say all our video have big claim and everything. I say Jesus Christ. Now say he said that's okay, no problem. That was all. Then when I go notice all these things, then see this video. What we do?
Another one.
Now my page. Rita. Nice to the daughter Ayemia. He still claim this video. Okay. This one not be.
It is show the evidence. So
it is just my personal live video. My sister. My personal live video.
Hey.
Then after my live video.
See shame at this.
Wait, Wahala not the finish. He said, to my knowledge, copyright is automatic, but you can reach out to the person to release it. I want to ask you one question.
It's a lie. What does not belong to you?
Live video where person do for a page. Yes. Not say he carry
your
own where Rita do for the analyze them.
Yes,
not be say anything where Rita don't fit do for her own. It's there inside though. No. How can Ayemia copyright go automatically enter your own? If not be say you go click and go claim and say na he get her.
After I was even thinking it was just those two live videos. Now she claimed. Until after 1 month. In fact, when I do that video, Rita, my sister, it was after 5 days. Now Tesha say you claim that video. You not release them after that 5 days. You wait until they paid you for that video. You can't begin to release them. These are all the proof you go to the release them. Now I can't say I say, hey, I got over 12 release from you. From my own personal live video.
That's why
we are not talking about the promotion.
That's why I claim my own videos too.
You said you do advertise. When my wife sing, she put all presenters' name. You were not the only person. They appreciate everybody for that one. This one has nothing to do with music. This is my own personal live video. If I know how they do one.
But
wait now, maybe
this Baba Saga talk about your music was free for some years. We dey talk about like if you talk about music.
Baby, you have to know that. Not be you have to know that. Not be
now we never talk about music now. Now normal live video wey person dey do we dey talk about it now.
That's what she also play my video.
Now conscience say Dr. Rita release your video. Release.
After I don't collect the revenue where they at the end of the month, can't they release them one by one? Can't you imagine?
I was like, wow. I can't say okay. I want to come. Listen, my doctor. I can't say I want to come on live video. You say I not reach out to them. The number that I have was the number. And it's still here. Hi. And I beg you, these two persons that is close to Rita that I reached out to that time, I expect both of you now. Beg me just now. May I not call your name to come out and talk.
Yeah.
Then this was the high. Now I say and say she don't block me. I not feel sure. So I not feel go to find. I not even take her as anything. I just forget. And that time we want show. Frank, I want to come out. If the reason why I want to come out, I will say this.
They talk my love.
After
although you made the whole gym.
Why?
No, verse this is that.
They take their lives.
Baby, they talk.
Okay, the reason why I wanted to come out to address this issue again for the second time, when I first come out to call her name, was after I do live video, they come to point out to one particular person. They attack that person, so that person will talk to. Although I actually went back on TikTok and said I was not speaking to Lolo. It was Lolo. Lolo's name was all over
people
everywhere.
suspected.
After 4 days,
It was Lolo.
both of them, no, but Lolo was more.
Okay.
Yes, and
They
I
were
said,
suspecting
I
Lolo
want to
and
talk and
it
say,
was
you
not
people are
Lolo.
just accusing.
It
I
was
don't call
this
anybody.
Rita.
I didn't even call Lolo. The live video I did was not even because of Lolo.
Okay.
I said that on TikTok, and most people carry them, most people don't carry them. Then at that fact, I say, Destiny, if you even come out right now, they call name and everything. You they go do show with them, you come cost a lot. Like, how much for this copyright? Let it go. That was how I forget. And these two persons where I call, where he beg, say they will speak to them, beg, man, not do live video. Now so we take forget this whole thing. At least this video where he can't come out right now. This video was talking about now. This video was not done. This video is like 7 months ago, right? I don't know why I be saying that now. And I believe say why it can't be say it can't come out now when my sister Rita can't come out. You say because say my wife called say Frank Vito. Okay, excuse me, yeah, good. Asking me, yes. Okay.
Hey, this one a public national disgrace. Oma Aragbe man, now wetin dey cause be this? Open disgrace, not be this one.
The reason why he can't even come out now say now because they can't talk say Frank Vito na be our admin. So your point of protection, my sister, me or my wife never called Frank Vito to exactly anything about.
Skimmy ya don't join. Only I don't so yere. Original. Now you see, huh? You see the shame and disgrace where tiffy people content cost you. Now say you they copyright my own, they strike my page. You see where your thief lands you for public shame and disgrace. 1.8K is listening to your thiefy attitude.
It's called Frank Victor. I remember you were the person who called me about copyright.
Public shame and disgrace where you give yourself. 1.8K, they listing how you take the thief. People content. Is that not a shame? How much is the money where you go they fool yourself? How much is the money? Do I will send us sell?
What happened, bro?
You send us sell where Rita?
Well, first of all, I will first talk about that one. Make a first greet to all the people when it did. All of una good evening.
Now scheme here the talk.
Reason why personally I even get interested in this kind of time. Now because since I read some comment also from some people here, you know good make we generalize this thing on the part like say Esther know they appreciate people when they play music or when they share music. That is not what it's actually about. Somebody like Davido when you talk about just now. Davido is even a more bigger artist, will get a more bigger platform, will get even bigger money. All those people, the way they take copyright their music, you not even feel plan for your Facebook. Me, I love Davido songs. I want to play them for my live Facebook, but I know they feel the plan. Why? Because if I just put on now, Facebook will just write me, they'll just give me red. Now make me know the plan. Even I hardly also play a lot of musicians, except for they get copyright for music. Me, I don't even know now say copyright don't even get it. Say they ask you, say so Esther music don't get copyright now. Me, I do not also know. Even as me are you close reach, you not even reach out to me to even tell me say, oh but copyright don't get this music. I don't know whether you understand because that one every musician write. And even on our own self, when a copyright be say, and you go see the M money, me also I go see the M money, it not go strike me also from my page. When I carry that your video that time, just 2 days later, Facebook can send me message say, I carry somebody video.
Pretty good evening.
I take the Ebagua before I even post this video. I even send them to me.
Yes.
Go far. Me not even know how those things say they even the work. Say I go call one of my guy. Now the guy can put me through how to go find out who put copyright and all those things. I go find out saying that lady. Now I can call you say why this lady go put copyright for video we not get. Why be say you the collect money, you get video they collect money. Everybody they want you to collect money.
How are you? Share Rita.
Really after some
days. Shame on you.
Like she can't do the something,
Which
you know.
kind of that they do you?
Say yes, the person don't remove the this thing come out.
Yeah, that's the
but the truth, but the truth of the matter for this matter, my brother, why you always say we as Benin people, when something they among us, we go just they criticize this thing like say now what a big thing, because all these big stars that we get for Nigeria, all of them they put copyright for their music. I never see say Benin people come out, come they discuss about that matter for social media, say, oh why? So because say now lady of song now she don't do something bad now to people, say she try to also get small dividend for what she suffer also. She not just claim the whole right. She give you but a choice. If you like now you play a doctor music when you want to start your live video. But if you go YouTube, you want to play a lady of song.
1.8, they listen to app Rita take
that one is normal free thing. I don't know whether you understand. But
this one a public shame. This one a public shame and disgrace to you, Rita. Shame on you. You see, you dey do it to me. You dey do it to others. You don't do it to Esther and Ebagua. Public disgrace enter your body.
There are so many music when you go fit do live video. So when the thing come become something now we be say you go and even let's even forget music. Why somebody wey not get video, you not do live video, not be your live video. You go carry the live video, you go put copyright. Does it make any sense at all? It don't make sense now. Make we just face. Make we talk truth at least. You know, say sometimes when people they talk now, people come they feel like say, oh, you want to support your people. No, but make we just be realistic right now. Is it normal? Say video where be say not be you sit down do. If now your video you dey put copyright.
Mama Shine, I see your comments. Fine, who know Esther before?
Nobody
but
complain for you.
It good as Rita the copyright waiting not belongs to her. Live video of Destiny, Esther, music and all of that. It not good now, Mama. It not good, Who touch you? Esther out there, but you might not like her. Me, I don't have no business with these people. But let's say the truth.
For video where you not get, it makes sense. But they honest now. So people go sit there for comment section here. They're going to talk, say, you be ungrateful person, or you be this one. Let's just face this very issue now where they happen now. Is it right? Say
you
somebody not get video, not do live video. You go carry somebody live video, take out they make money. He can put right manager for that very video. So if you get that manager for your page, when you want to do that, when you want to put somebody else's video, you go offer for that particular video. You go offer so that it will go affect any other person because it is not your own video.
At all.
So wait.
Exactly. Because it is not your content. You off the right manager. Make it not go cash who gets the original person where you get.
Married woman, and I respect you. I'm not to insult women. I'm not feeling so I'm not going to insult you, but you insulted me today. You do everything, I leave you. But I know the reason why you did angry. Because even when you do like
Mama Shine, no, they talk like that. You know how many times this guy don't copyright my videos? Even the videos who make sure they celebrate me on Mother's Day. You know how many times this guy don't copyright my videos, other people videos?
But I don't know what you get.
She's purposely doing it.
Live video to come and bring her.
You know, even recently, you know how many people cry out, say she copyright their own video, live video where they do. You know how many? She did it purposely. She have been doing it just to make more money out of people's sweat. That's wickedness now. No, let's not support what is wrong. Nobody go and be say what you suffer for. Me, another person they eat the fruit of what you suffer for. You will not accept it, Mama. Mama Shine, you will not accept it.
If there is angry with me or this family, I'm sorry, because actually I know the reason why you're angry. I say I'm going to go. So imagine if I'm Victor me. So okay, do we again? If I'm every time we are in here, I go back promote when we were telling promotion now. If I'm Victor and everything, and Rita, the reason why I didn't even bother again after I found out you blocked me, after I reached out to people to reach out. You blocked me after 1 week. Was the day you actually called me, Destiny Ebagua, that your parents were being arrested, that I should go and help you to pay them. And I told you, my sister, please, I don't want to get involved with anything that has to do with social media. I beg. And that was the day you changed towards this family. You weren't playing our songs anymore. You weren't even sharing our video anymore. You were angry because you called me to go and help you to release your parents from the station. And I told you, I was not even around, and I said, I can't.
But she claimed they didn't arrest them, that they just went there for question and answer.
That was how you kept communication with us.
Why were you not looking for Destiny Ebagua to come and help you bear your parents?
Now people talk say,
so you don't get level.
They give permission. Are you guys
secrets don't leak up?
You don't anybody enemy. Maybe so your enemy must be my enemy. I'm not that stupid.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
You want help me? As big as IFP Entertainment. I'm saying it today. I never chop one another. We don't. For years we never take anything. Person will suffer do live video. You also feel rest. You they come out and call the shot. Now so they your page they get problem. Songs and everything. Songs where you don't chop for 2 years, 3 years. The time when I do live video, you are deleting comment.
My beautiful lady, Cash House, I beg.
I'm not talking about
Lady Shine a better person, I beg. Not pray that kind of prayer. Maybe she not understand waiting they sup. You understand? I beg. Lady Shine na correct mama. Okay? I beg. I beg. She not understand. That's why she's making excuses for her. She not understand. I beg.
Yeah, thank you very much. God bless you.
Mama Shine, please, I'm sorry.
Sister Rita, I don't hold anything against you, but if that one make you vex, I am sorry. You say that so you fight for us, you do this one for us, you do everything. My dear, everybody on this media, when they do want to help, to help for you. If you want to fight for person, you come at home fight. On live video fighting, while making money every month, you are still enjoying it. The money when you make all this year, you don't call us, come give me money or anything. Nobody even talk that one.
They fight for people.
My sister don't vex.
But when fights reach, when our fights come, she know they feel fight her. No banana renet, no guac banana bay. Away.
So give me thank you, sir. Imagine for songs as my wife's songs already reach. People they release song. People they release song 2 days. They will put copyright.
Yes.
Since 2017 they come. You know, put copyright. They don't chop all the songs. Even the copyright, they crash. Not be saying that strike. You don't affect your page. You get 60%.
Madam Cash House, God bless you. God bless you. All of us now work for you. If we don't understand, we'll make ourselves understand. We can agree to disagree, no matter.
But most of the Esther song where they play also. Now, how many times they play for live video?
Thank you. How many times?
Yeah, I know how many times now. All of us, let's just release it now. Why do even the matter even depend on it? How many times?
Okay, my talk. Hold on. Wait, my even talk one thing. Because everybody, now just come, one content glory. The song that is almost 3 million. How many times live video present at Opera? People when they play song, they plan for YouTube. Inside house, they plan the wash up. Okay, small. Then people will come out. This one will come. You can't see people say this one. There are some things where you know will want to insult anybody. There are some things where you not even reach to cause problem. As you talk, share you don't hear and I say nobody. Rita, if not true, say we really carry you call from Victor. Say, see, oh, may God talk. This swear we swear today. It's very very okay. My dear, you say answer nobody. So I leave it to you because you be woman to woman talk.
Now so she they assume. Assumption don't finish her life. Assumption don't finish Rita. Bata. She assume what is not there always. Can you imagine?
I greet all of now my people now well done. That the people don't come out here. So make them.
The whole world don't know say you be Rita.
Now welcome now.
And no one way. Now shame and disgrace the end.
I will be starting from one person talk just like say our music fair day free. So when we come to put copyright now, they come out now it come they affect people. Okay, that is true. That's true. But
now your thing.
They free for how many years where I don't they sing? Now since last year, I started to put copyright and not be even all. I they select and they put not be all my even as we they talk now, not be all my hip hop copyright day. And they select and they put. Then
please thumbs up the video, guys.
One use person's song. You know, say
please thumbs up
song for this my live video.
Yeah, we are shirts.
Normally, you suppose off your copyright whatever.
Exactly.
It was orphan. You know why?
Please thumbs up, guys.
You know, say you want play person property for that video where you want to. You know, say you want play person music. Just for that way for one play person music, so orphan. The copyright. So that you already know, say if you put copyright, I tried telling her that day, I match her for stage. My gold earring. As I hear the jump for stage, the dance, the thing fall for my ear, I just match her. So as far as I gold, I don't feature where I see they use them. I will first enjoy them before I sell them. So that's how it be. So you suppose offer so that it not go affect the owner of the song. If the owner of the song one can use his or her own song. Then on the other hand, if you go decide not to offer because of say you know once make another person or another co-presenter carry the video, now make you put copyright. If the owner of the song tell you say share revenue with me, you go share revenue. Or if you don't want share revenue, you go command the song or you go delete the video. That is it. So since it don't say when we leave our song free, now we call they put copyright. We not suppose accept her. Say okay, this video when I do it don't take. So it be like say this person don't put copyright for the music. You go just you know they make money for the video again. So you go just
not be even problem
accept and not be even problem to your page. You go just accept the copyright like that so that now gather they share the thing. Then music video where people say it don't take where you do. It don't take where you do and not be now. They tell you say the owner say now he gets out, say me you share revenue. What if you come make you no put and share revenue? Then if that's still new one, you know what share revenue. They go tell you say replace the video. You feel replace it with another song. Replace the audio. You feel replace that one. Leave that one. You feel replace that.
For your own property.
Check it did. Then this music of a thing where you talk just now, person where that and just now say now automatic. Since our video fake since now we dey put an I make I come they enter copyright for everybody job. Now me want explain one thing. Babe, not the talking. You might for not forget to see I want talk. Music where person play, person go studio go suffer player. You can put an art for free. Everybody they enjoy them. Help me be my papa point 1 or 2. One and not distract me. Now don't they talk, I don't they forget what I do want talk. No, now the one that they talk they make me they forget.
No, Rita say how can I take copyright live video? Where Rita, my sister.
Yeah, that
you go like that for your page. You say how you take copyright video, live video where I do for my page. May I bring proof, my sister?
Why should they deny herself? She know they do it to other people. Apart from Esther and Destiny, she know they do it to other people.
This is the proof.
See the proof now. They display it for you. See the proof.
It was a live video that was done. Now let me tell you what you do. You go download my live video. You cut my live video. You go put it for your page. Claim the copyright.
That's all you take do. That's all you do all of them.
All my video.
That's all you take the do. You go cut from the live video.
You know the quarter.
You go cut from the live video. You go cut. Maybe you go put something joiner for you.
Ever since other people where should they copyright? People they post them. She know they deny. Why they deny the Esther and the Destiny? Because it's not becoming a public thing. That's also people. It's not seeing ask where you are. Chief.
The way they call us say their video. Facebook will call it. Video. Say you release your video.
So now video. Live video. As I sit down, so now I dey discuss, I dey talk. The live video. Now you know say you play person music for the live video. Where you do? You know say you play music for person video where you do. You put copyright. Then when me want to do live video, me can play the song. They'll come tell me say this live video, so the music when I play put. The people will get the live video, they don't claim her. Then you now when you say say you play Lady of Song music for your live video, and you see her because definitely Facebook go right to say your job, your own job, where person be carry the money come, because if they pay you, it go show say this also job like this, now this money for come. You go show say your job from another place, where person carry the money, they come to you. Now they claim say now music now when you play, now they give us the copyright. There are so many videos where we do where we say we don't even play music where get copyright. We don't play the music where we they talk about so ordinary video where we just do. Then how come you go come and say you claim her? Now we not play musical. We not play the music put. We not play anything music. Maybe we just come out to talk. How come you go come out for your own say now you get the job, say you claim the video? How it happen? Then live video when it be say person do. Now let me forget about the live video now. Let's go to my song. May I not to take for live video because everybody don't understand what we dey talk now. Say apart from say we play music and you don't fair put copyright for that for your own when you play the song for your live video as.
I bet play on Jerry.
Check us now. Let's forget about it. Let's go to my music now.
We are listening.
We want to explain something to make people understand. Don't be say forget. Now.
Now wow. What's the person to do it not stop? Now so they be go bring shame and disgrace. A lot of people she don't copyright. When Rita don't copyright their video. See I tell shame you now.
You play out for your live video. Go put copyright when you.
This phone, where I go even put yourself? Why they
another person video, another person music you play am? Why you go put copyright? When you know say if your copyright hold that your live video, it will affect who gets song. So you can expect now say as you don't claim to say both my song and your live video, the copyright go catch am. Right, go catch that music, and you not remove am. You not say because say I play Esther song, make I remove copyright from this video. You leave and put. Then when you go come play my own song, they do live video. You go come claim everything, both my own song. When you come and you go claim her.
Just imagine.
Now make I tell you one thing, Rita. Not be only you. When they put copyright for my song, not be only you. Then when me can they use my song, they go put copyright. The thing they affect me. Different name now can they see. Different name. If you now listen to my video that they say not be only one person, not be two person. Not be only one person, not be two person.
Girl, that fake
then
accounts.
People will call me.
Where do they
Mama?
Where do they claim other people's video?
Don't they do video? They give me copyright strike. I'll say me I not put copyright for my song go. Copyright not dey my song go. That time when me they talk so. Me no know say Facebook they would send me notification say Dr. Rita have claimed your video as their own property. Me no know because me no they get after the to go notification. I know they go. I not just get time for that one. Go to check notification. Me don't know say that they send me message say all the people.
Faith. Person when you want message, you can't find out say it block you. Touch row where they claim waiting you sweat to work for. You can't find out say it block you for WhatsApp. You not go get the mind. Take go the messenger for messenger. That already don't send you message and signal to say this person don't wants anything with you anymore. This person don't the verse for you. One person where block you for WhatsApp, you're going to look for messenger. You will feel get my to do that kind of person where they steal revenue from your own content. Let's be honest here. You go get the mind. Or ordinarily, you don't the verse say they claim revenue from your work. Then you make it attempt to contact and you not find out say this person block you. You'll see get me to go look for what messenger. Let's be honest now. What you cannot do, don't say it out of saying it, What we cannot do, don't say because you just want to say it. No. For them to even make an attempt to even want to contact her in the first place, they tried, or they have already tried. They over-try safe. That's just the truth. I know, that your mind you talk, my lady.
I don't see any money for the
but
for the page at all. Over and over again on this Facebook, on this social media. Talk. So if now you let me vet, I go put up
my beautiful lady Faith. If now you get what person they claim, you work hard to produce music, to do live video. Somebody else going to claim the revenue. You know what people say? Your mind go spoil. You not make an attempt to say, okay, make I reach out to this person, make I complain this thing to her. And you come find and say, it already block you for WhatsApp because you ask you favor, you not do one for her. You tell her, say, you not get her for his side. When I get the favor yours now, we'll come analyze that one. You come find and say, because of that, it don't block you. What you go do? You'll see get me to go, they find other medium to take reach out to the person again. No, you not go do it. You are not sure, so you anybody get patient will reach there. Not be you nice pass. Nobody. Cool. That's why it already block you. Not gonna say it don't get you for might. Because you not do render one favor or the other. He said, may go help and release him my money, papa, for inside prison. Really? So your Beru brothers, your papa side, your mama side, they don't see if you release them. No wonder they pay them credits at last. Now if there's the Ebagua, you be saying make you go put money. May I go use the money to pay your papa, your mama? When you arrest Frank Victor family back home. Now so Frank Victor go back. I don't understand. Hey, now let's say I'll get time for social media for this period. After this period, I'm off. Not be say like, not be say me like her. I know say whether you like her, you not like her, my sister. Faith, my darling, beautiful lady. More talk and wait. See, sometimes you put yourself in people's shoe to know if you go fit take some certain things or not. You must not like people to say the truth. Yes, you must not like people, or you not like you like the. You know, it makes no difference. Just say it the way it is. Say your truth. Reason out to yourself. Say if not me. Because it's better when you put yourself in people's shoes to be able to understand how they will feel. If what you work for another person claim they chop money on top, you not see when they're inside, but person they claim your sweat. You know go there.
Now someone supposed to be doing person song. Then secondly, if you they advertise our job for them, now people will come they let us know say this is not pay, don't be good. Advert don't they show for inside. Why not monetize and we have a monetizer here. Now so people come to they tell us say, now when they go the video now
she they flag my video. Now I won't be that. That is why all get my money. I dag boy mama, even my mama the dag boy. See the cry we cry this morning now.
You know they
tears of sorrow.
They go cut that.
I remember when I made thumbs up, my people. When I put love and like. Oh Jevo. See, 2,000 Kenya they listen to how criminality you can be. Criminal. Tiffy Jan Koliko Rita. This is a big shame and disgrace. This public shame and disgrace when you give yourself. It loud.
The people say, come see they go do one. Then they go post them for their own page where they monetize. The copyright now, you don't already did their own. They go anybody will carry that video, automatically all the view, the money, it go to them.
Now so.
Now so they take the carry person video, may I tell you now.
So.
Then you go to say, they support sub download and they'll carry on. They will come go talk put, they go put them for their page.
Yes.
Then as soon as they get copyright, all the one where you
all the revenue go to them. Esther, you explain now where now so they work. Now so they work. That is why person will not be thief. He go off the copyright for that certain video because he didn't get the content. He go carry and take blog, but he go off the copyright on it. That a person will not greed, will not be thief. But Rita will not do that.
Because we not know. So when person come they tell us say, if I know I don't talk for live notice. Now my husband reach out to them. As me and you they talk, I don't get Frank number. No. I don't get the number. But when they talk, anytime maybe my husband they talk, I hear his voice. I hear now, pa, fana, pa, nuwe una, pa, not the two like that today. We'll just sit talk. Sometimes the wife go just see hala me, mama, fa, will greet. So if you don't do my husband or me no know. So now my husband don't come in and say, pa, Frank, go help you do your Facebook Facebook. He don't help me do my own. I say, really? He say, yes. Make I call him. Make he explain to you and everything. He can't really call him. So I said, there's no, I say, he understand the paper. The best thing, I was send the, Nima, what add the way you add me? On our way, yes. But what add the way you add me? That very day, we put her for admin. Now, so it enter, come they look everything. When they look the thing, because I just give me time. Gonna give me time. I say settle down, look at that very day. Now so we talk rich. Now for my back, yeah, my husband when they talk, when they tell my husband everything, say see waiting, see waiting, see for inside. That time me not even there again. Say see waiting, see for inside. So my husband come tell me say, see oh, even when I claim a video, my people they claim our video. He can't measure their names. He can't measure all the presenters, and most of them feel not still be presenter. If it be say that he get big platform, they'll just carry my full music, the video, they'll go YouTube, they'll just download them, they'll just upload them for their Facebook, they'll just put copyright. It's true. Anyway, get some. So when they mention their names to me, I can't say, now wow. And he get one sentence where person still call me, not be one, not be two. That period, Facebook just they hot because of this copyright matter. All of them say they copyright my job, or they copyright my job. Or few women called me. Few women called me. Say you copyright my.
This one say now so Rita copyright the thief people video they go. You see, they don't know you put. They are commenting it here.
I don't put copyright for myself, but they said.
Nak ba nu pogodo. O jobo jero. Denu yera se mo ma gba jo ekun. Bo ma gba ekun so viere yeyeva. O iwa ro so we mo gbin.
Na give me copyright me. So come come say the person name where copyright make the talk they put. So they don't go talk put them for their platform. Then this person so still carry that same video. Go put for our platform talk put. He claim the job as his own. So when the woman call me, the woman tell me say, a job even you know this job when you do. So person claim out. I say, who? He say, so person like this. During that time when we do marriage, all our video, marriage video, we call your social media. People call your they claim copyright. They call they bring their names to me. Say, Mama, this your marriage video where everybody just they enjoy, they carry. So person they put copyright, they go say who be that? It's okay, more than not.
So they are calling out the
person. I reach out to the person.
They are calling out
they complain. Say you they put copyright for my marriage.
Public shame and disgrace.
Even though say they
public shame and disgrace.
Allow them, make they insult me, make they talk. The insult are blessing to me. Leave them.
She was already insulting us now. Don't you say that they talk to us?
Exactly. Even that same video. So when he say she carry they put copyright. Don't be say she they talk with 30 people.
Somebody say help me release my papa and my mama part 1 or 2.
Obviously against us.
Somebody say help me release my papa and mama from say part 1 or 2. Wahala.
Obviously
shame and disgrace.
But because
I able to stay good.
Yeah. But she constantly they put copyright.
Okay, she won't buy house when she not buy after.
You can't see copyright.
2 times I shower
copyright.
Make people sweat.
I'm not there to insult me. Make the carry am. At the end of the day, she can't say no problem. She will remove her. And as they can't see to the copy, I can't say okay. She don't go remove her. This copyright when me see so when destroy our page so not be only Rita, not be only Rita. Other people there when claim our video where their name still come out. But when my husband do that video, you don't make sure anybody name because not be only one person. You don't make sure anybody name because he said forget am. More than not one again. More than release all my video. Una many but I don't want to make sure una name. More than release all my video. Without that matter.
They say Rita, just see your disgrace.
I never
shame and disgrace.
Copyright for my song. Now
2000 they watch.
You can't rapper, you can't too much.
The tiffy content.
If Frank can't check video and everything,
I thank God.
As he just
she copyright my video, strike my page, rich.
See
how God disgrace her.
So
Rita, see how God disgrace you as you attack my pages, rich. 1 day she strike my 5 page at once. Facebook suspends all my pages. See the public shame and disgrace where God can't give her. Not be the videos where she they copyright. See how God give her a public shame and disgrace. Open shame and disgrace. See all of them, they call her thief. Thief. Rita the tiffy. Help me release my papa part 1 or 2. Help me release my papa and mama from police station from say part 1 or 2.
Say
Now what? Eh? Just see your disgrace.
Song when I like now. I'm not going to play again. People when you don't tell, say, man, they play like your song music. Now I go tell them, oh, many things not go affect them. Now quickly don't come and talk that day. As he talk, I say definitely many people
help me pay my papa and mama part 1 or 2 also.
Pen go here. I came out again. The way it take
I read the comment.
To say why me when start.
Help me pay my papa and my mama part 1 or 2.
And then me come and that yeah when you want to walk into wire then wire twerking wire am copyright is everything man what tell them was sinner at the end of the day. Ew. I still no mention name.
This one say Rita, see shame and disgrace for your body. Your tears is everlasting. Hi. Here we bear the comment section. Here
which I no mention anybody name. Just to give that.
See shame and disgrace.
As it is now, to avoid problem, let me put it, and I'm sorry for that. To let them know, say it no affect them, they can still use it and share revenue. If you don't want to use it, after you don't play for your live video, you don't want to share revenue, you don't play for your live video finish, you don't post them. Go where they
after 2 times on show, na social media she want for come make her. 2 times on show, mama not get better rapper with the time, now dirty towel. After 2 times on show, God forbid.
Anyway, the music day, they go silent. It's very simple. So that's how it be.
Oh, this public shame and disgrace. No, it's too much.
Shock. Yesterday, I been there before yesterday. I don't explain. Say, see, as the whole thing be, I don't enter house. Only to see, say
2,000 people they wash a shame and disgrace. A tiffy attitude. This one a big shame.
Just come out. He said, come out, defend herself.
If
defender go here, defender go here. You know, say guilty conscience. That's all they.
Now this one they call a fanamotien.
Maybe they think say now only she. She no say other people dey. And we not measure your
guilty
name. We not measure the other people name. But because that guilty conscience don't dey worry her, and so God don't make me man. Me no know say in Frank they quarrel. Okay. Me no know say in Frank they quarrel at all.
Now they see life.
No, say na Rita, you know what they feed me and they feed my family. Now she's supposed to tell me who I go carry my Facebook go give. I know say I'm supposed to take permission.
Maybe I talk this morning.
Rita.
I said that they know they will carry their page give.
My Facebook make it help me look at.
I talk
then at the end of the day, oh wait, ina wala monu, ina do talo, ina do tie. I can't talk and see be I say happen. I know sabi lie.
Okay.
I know sabi lie. Call the waiting happen. Call the say no happen. Unless I know why I expose but person or I want your keep account. If I want talk, I will talk. Any secrets. I know.
Hey, they want your man for conversation.
And I don't remember say I need to take permission from anybody before I go take my Facebook, go give anybody. I talk at the way it happen. I give her to Paper Frank. I give her to Easy. As we they talk now, Easy they help me they do one. I give her to other people. Naija, no be Naija what they call her. He was once my admin. He helped me the two one. He not fit.
Is your page?
He said they don't dabaru one.
You have every right to give it to anyone.
So I call other people. Then at the end of the day, now that one where you hear say, "He not the women make you men how you get matter when they give person how he that way a Facebook one or send no me go there."
Let's arrest my blessing. See you, she go call a one boat.
I don't move here. Or don't go away. The price of the Yakon away. You don't beg away. A man can be a video of my own. Yeah, they no see any woman. I'm making monetize. A red ready one from where I claim a video. Or my man now claim it. Or my man now claim it. Claim it. Really? Eh?
Very
bad. Very he just tell us what they see and let them go. What is it? We are release the animal. I told him Mama Facebook when we get the job. We claim it to be under but no, they not mention name. What they make guilty conscience can't drive you come out. Okay, because say now Frank I go give or you can't they think say I can't chop belly food, can't carry your matter go give Frank or we call the gossip you.
Guilty conscience.
Understand me? I don't know where that thing come from. Rita say, man, no sunu, na we problem no in one na, problem ye 1 year na, Facebook ye problem. Ye me against adin akare, okay, are another. And when I watch your video, my darling sister Rita, when I watch your video, me ga gba ori eke, me ga re na we ha. Oh igbelu bijo ko na we bia. I was see look Asia. Anyway, when I because no ya go the no ya so the no ya we abi tian gi gbe we abi emi orí sunu diet yi ba do aye bi na ya cover up the mana ya go wo na because so the cry the shouting was really out of
not be small shout not be small
off now when you were she left the track.
Hey,
she
totally.
left the track.
Now,
the cry was uncalled for. The shouting was uncalled for. The whole thing, the acting, what she acted was zero. It was uncalled for.
Uncalled for. I said it is
wrong. Any matani. Ni watani way. Your phone here. I'm not saying you want to buy. I didn't try not to let you go ya cover. Now you go cover in ya. We want to go Wahala here. We what do I tell? What do I so we? Eseni unu wa. I am back.